Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about our button belt clip holders, items 215429 and 215052. We're going to be showing you how to install and use these properly. So first off, we're going to talk about item 215429, and this is the item you'll want to buy if you want to mount something like this Motorola radio that has a belt clip on the back. So to install it, you're just going to use the 4 included screws, and we're going to screw it directly into the face of our ProClip vehicle mount. Now that we have the holder attached to our vehicle mount, we can go ahead and hang our radio on it using the belt clip. And you'll just want to make sure that the belt clip comes all the way through so that this little tab on the bottom will lock the radio into place. Now we're going to move on to item 215052. Which, as you can see, we've pre-installed it. It installs exactly the same way as 215429 with these 4 face screws. Except this item is going to be used if you have something like this portable microphone, which actually has a button on the back instead of a belt clip. So now we can just hang this button right in the V-slot. There you go. That wraps up our overview of items 215429 and 215052. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.